cute. Hi guys, happy weekend. It is Friday, 4:49 p.m. for me. I thought I would film a little weekend in my life because after the weekend things are going back to normal. Ontario is reopening and there's a lot of stuff that's going to be changed. I'm going back to work and stuff. I thought I would spend some time with you. I walked Mochi for an hour. I just dealt with, well, not dealt, okay, I shouldn't say that. Backtrack, okay. 2 hours ago, before I walked Mochi, I got a package delivered, which we'll open in a second. Well, actually, I already opened it, which I'll show you in a second. There was a car waiting outside my house. And, you know, it happens all the time. Probably not for me, probably my neighbor, whatever. But they were just waiting there, nothing happened. And when I came out of the house to walk Mochi, it left. You know, that doesn't bother me too much, but like just now, I just saw another car waiting, a different car, a different dude, waiting in the exact same spot outside my house for what? I didn't see them when they left, but they're gone now. Weird. Stay safe. All right, so the package that I got, I tried the shirt on already because it's so cute. It's one of those asymmetrical tops. One second. So this is what it looks like. It's got like a high turtleneck basically. I haven't taken the tag off, but yeah, it like dips in. I was literally looking for this shirt for so long and I found it on AliExpress. Really cute. The other thing that I got in the package was my camera door battery. On my very old Nikon, I lost the battery door a few years ago and now I just don't want to get dust in it, so I hope I ordered the right one. Whew. I almost thought that wouldn't fit, but it does. Not like super smoothly, but what the heck. Okay, that's weird. It doesn't like click as nicely as the original part, of course. It like is a really soft close, as if it doesn't fit properly, which it doesn't. But what would I expect, right? Because this part, okay, whatever, you don't care. So it's Friday night. Tonight's plans are to go to Sarah's. Oh, Mochi just opened the door. Hi, hon. Tonight's plans are to have dinner with Sarah and Zara at 6:30. Sarah's making us gnocchi and chicken, and we're having tiramisu or tiramisu. I don't really know how you say that. And so I might stop by LCBO and get us a bottle of wine maybe, because I want to contribute to tonight, you know? I'm being fed. I also have to go pick up my glasses. I got them filled a week ago. So basically I purchased the frames from Costco last year and I didn't want to get the lenses in until this year, so I finally did that. It's the whole thing with insurance, you know, like every year you get only so much coverage. So they texted me saying that my glasses are ready, so we're gonna go pick those up before we get to Sarah's. And what else? I think that's it right now. Before I get out of here, I'm gonna take a quick body shower, I'll touch up my makeup, and then we'll head out. Also, I can't get over how cute this top is. I'm typically not like a huge asymmetrical shirt person, but it's so cute and I love like the high neck. Not really looking forward to the inevitable comment by some bozo that's gonna come up to me and be like, are you wearing your shirt wrong? You're wearing yours wrong.
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say.
This is my look for tonight. I'm wearing these silver hoops I have my Abercrombie Drama Wedge Henley sweater and some jeans that I thrifted but are actually from American Eagle. I'm at Costco picking up my glasses. Sarah's running late at her brow appointment, so I'm at Walmart now. And this is the only Walmart like in the city that sells these lashes. And these are the lashes that I wear literally every single day. It's like 4 in the morning. I'm just getting home now. There's no way for me to get into the house other than through this snow. Like, I don't think you realize how tall the snow is. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good Saturday morning. Is it Saturday? It's a little while later. I actually woke up today past noon, so I'm really tired right now. I have a cup of coffee with some hazelnut creamer in it. Also, last night when I tried my glasses on for the first time, I thought they made my eyes look so small because I'm like blind as a bat. Like I literally am legally blind without my glasses, and so I have incredibly thick lenses. And how that works is your eyeglass lenses are cut out of a big piece of glass. They're typically about this big, and they're very thin in the middle and they get very thick on the outside. The thicker they are, the smaller your eyes look. And also, if you have a bigger frame, they have to cut more of it, so more of that thicker glass is going to be on the outside. So do you literally see how thick the side of my glasses are? I felt like my eyes looked very small in them. So actually today I wore the new set of lashes that I got yesterday, and I feel like my eyes look back to normal in the lenses. Happy about that. I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Maybe I'll tap into some homework if I feel like it, but honestly, I might just put on the second season of Euphoria and fold some laundry. I think we're gonna do that right now.
How could he have ever overlooked her, underestimated her, but he could imagine spending life with her.
Okay, so I don't have a book light, but I like to read in bed. So what I do have is one of these portable phone charging things with the USB thingy and one of these bendy lights. So literally this is how I read. I put this here. I read like this. I haven't charged this thing since like last year.
Dum, 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 dum.
Let's go try your new sweater.
Dum, dum.
Sit, please. Ooh,
Nhìn.
excuse me.
Có bây giờ còn một xuân than này nó đi cạo rồi.
có mấy tiếng kia mà tiếng mình đâu ấy đâu.
Oh my goodness. Look at her nails, bro. They're clawing. Her heart is beating so fast.
I know.
It's okay, monkey.
Do it.
Okay.
你都係我攬住你嗰度，我根本上我冇剪唔到，點剪啊？喺你嘅攬度。咁你去出邊剪頭髮點剪啊？幾驚到吱吱聲。
She's trying to pull herself up right now. It's okay. Chinese New Year is in like a day, and my mom told me you should deep clean for the new year because that's the thing, and it's supposed to bring you luck. Not that I believe in luck, but deep cleaning for the new year doesn't sound like a bad thing, so let's do some of that, and then we'll get into some computer work a little later.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
I just finished dinner and doing the dishes, so I think I'm going to do a little bit of planning for next week and then get on some homework. Okay, so I was gonna film more of my desk work and show you a little bit of a project that I have due tomorrow, which is a collage, but Mochi is having an issue. She's been limping on her paw the past like 2 days, and it seemed to go away kind of like here and there, and tonight it was just really bothering her, so she was pulling the hairs out of her paw, she was biting it, licking it, so we decided to like rinse it, dip it in water. She freaked out when I was trying to bring her to the washroom, and then she like was whimpering and like doing this, and she fell onto her side and was whimpering. So like, oh my gosh. So like I said, we dipped her paw in water and kind of just like made sure it's clean. We put coconut oil and like another moisturizer on it, and then we wrapped her paw up in 2 socks because she, like most dogs, would bite it off, but she's being really good right now. And this is a sweater Sarah literally crocheted for her, and she's sleeping by it. Yeah, poor girl. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for spending my weekend with me. Honestly, it was just chill. Tomorrow is the 31st, which means Ontario is reopening, which means gyms are reopening, dining in is reopening with limits, of course. It's gonna be a little bit different around here, but I'm excited to be able to pay tuition again. I'm gonna get to bed and make sure Mochi doesn't rip her sock off. I look forward to hanging out with you in my next video. Good night.